I look at this kid and realize the museum didn't stop with the people who raised me. It grew with the ones I chose.
Babae, hindi mo ba kabisado fingerprint ko? Ay, mama yun. Lagyan mo ng ano yun hack. Graduate sa CBS yung sikat. Sikat na din. So, salamat sa pagsumubok na naniniwala. Kaya magalala, maglalabas pa tayo ng bago. Ayun guys.
240. May ganyan? Kanina yun?
What is up? What is up? Magkano to? Magkano? Pinayang mo sa kanya. Maganda quality pa din. Oo, quality yan rin. Hello guys. My street. Diretso lang. Thank you po. Sawadee ka! Ayun na yung kanta. Tingin ko LJ setup talaga to eh. Ayun na. Yun din.
Oh my gosh!
Wala. Ayun naman naman. Bigyan mo nag-work na. Balin.
Wala pa daw siya. Meron na daw siya.
Meron na yan, di wala ka na.
Tangin na yan, palihim eh. Meron yan, si Aya. Baka umali na sa bulalo.
Umalo na ka.
Di ba yung mga, ano, yung mga bakay nag... ba talagang sumasagot ka ba? Ano ang tawagan nila, ano?
Mommy, where are we?
Kaya yung ginagawa ng mga yung tatanong sa iyo.
My doors remained open for everything and everyone. The pieces I truly want to be known, the ones I want recognized, are the people and things I've chosen to live within me. I am a collection of stolen traits and a borrowed light. I mimic the beauty I see in them until it becomes my own. I strive to be what they truly are because in this museum of mine, the art isn't just what I make, it's who I've become because of them.